Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide drawings on Thinkorswim. If your charts are cluttered with lines, notes, and zones, but you don't want to delete them, Thinkorswim lets you hide them quickly using drawing sets. We'll walk through opening the platform, focusing the chart, finding the drawing controls at the top, hovering to reveal the drawing set menu, and selecting the default set so your annotations disappear from view while staying safely saved. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app or web platform and signing in as you normally do. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces. This ensures your charts, studies, and any existing drawing sets are fully available before you make changes. Next, click directly on the chart you want to clean up. This brings the chart into focus so the chart-specific toolbar appears and the correct menu responds to your next actions. If you use multiple grids, make sure the panel you want is highlighted. Now look to the top of the active chart for the drawing controls. On most layouts, you'll see a small pencil icon and a label related to drawings near the chart's upper toolbar. Depending on your screen size, you may see the words Drawings or Drawing Set. If you're on a smaller window and don't see it at first, try maximizing the chart or widening the panel until those controls appear. Hover your mouse over the drawing set area. When you hover, a menu or drop-down appears showing the sets available to you. Think of a drawing set like a container that holds all your annotations for a chart. Hovering here is key because it reveals the options without changing anything yet, and it confirms you're in the right place. Finally, click on Default. Selecting the default drawing set switches your chart to the standard set, which is typically empty. Instantly, all the drawings saved in your other set disappear from the chart view. This does not delete your work. It simply hides it by moving your view to an empty set. Your original lines and notes remain stored in their original set and can be brought back later by returning to that set. That's all there is to it. Open Thinkorswim, click on the chart to focus it. Find the drawing controls at the top. Hover over the drawing set area and select Default to clear the clutter without losing a single annotation. This approach is perfect when you want a clean read of price action or to take screenshots without markings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner charts.